Hi students, today I am going to explain about hashing mechanism in data structure. Hashing is a concept which is used to store your information as well as retrieve your information very quickly based on the keys. So it is a technique that is used to uniquely identify a specific record. For example, now I want to store these keys. Here we are using a data structure called hash tables. Hash table used to store your corresponding keys or records in a particular index positions. See, here I am taking a hash table which contains 10 locations. Table size is 10 location. Index size starts from 0 to 9. Index position starts from 0 to 9. See how you are storing the given keys into the hash table by using hash function. Hash function means it is a mathematical function used to find out the corresponding position for the given keys. See, here I want to store 72, 54, 37 and 89. So if you want to identify the where we are storing the 72 or where we are storing the 54 and 37, 89, you have to process hash function on the given keys so that we can identify the corresponding index positions. For example, hash functions are so many types. To identify the location for the given keys, hash functions are so many types. See, what is a hash function? It is a function which is used to put the data in the hash table. Here data means maybe key or the corresponding record. See how many ways we can find out the locations by using different ways. One is division method. This is the more using type, division method. See, first to choose the key and apply the hash function. H of key is equal to we are getting the location by using this mechanism, key modulus of table size. For example, now I want to store 54 key at my hash table. So hash function on 54, assume table size is 10. Assume table size is 10 locations, 0 to 9. Simply perform 54 modulus of 10. That is equal to 4, which means on 4th location we are storing 54. Now I want to store 72 key, so that apply hash function, especially division method. What is the division method? H of key is equal to key modulus of table size. So 72 modulus of 10, which is equal to 2. So which means, come to here, 72. What is how many locations? 10. So here apply H of 72 is equal to 72 modulus of 10, which is equal to 2. On the 2 location we are storing 72. Now 54, H of 54 is equal to 54 modulus of 10, which is equal to 4. Modulus means take remainder, divided by means take coefficient. Here we have to consider remainders only. So 10 5s are 5, remainder is 4. On 4th location store 54. Obviously 37 means, so 37 mod 10, 7. Place here. 89, 9th location. So like the way storing your records or keys into the corresponding table is called as hashing mechanism. What is hashing? Mapping of keys into the hash table, which is called as a hashing. So suppose if I want to retrieve 54, immediately apply hash function. On 54 apply hash function, 54 modulus of 10, 4. Immediately, quickly, uniquely we can identify the corresponding location. So that's why we are using hashing tables. Okay. So not only division method, instead of identifying the hash locations, hash table locations, you can mainly we are using division method. Apart from that, you can use mid square also. Mid square method means very simple. If the key is 25, apply square, then square on 25, what is the answer? 625. Then immediately consider the mid position. What is the mid position of how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So mid position is 2. In case if the mid after squaring the given key, if your output is 4 digits, you can choose second digit or third digit. Suppose for example, if we are doing 100 square 10,000, so there is no problem. In case if you get 6 digits or 4 digits, even number of 4, 2, 6, 5, then choose this is the mid position or this is also mid position, you can choose, which means now where we are storing the 25, in second position, so that is called as mid square. Hope you understand, students. Suppose 12 square 144. Now where we are placing your 12 key 12 on fourth location, that is called as mid square. Next, digit folding. This is one more method of hash functions which is used to identify the index position. Suppose if the key is 625, my key is 625. Now in digit folding is very simple. Divide the digits and apply any type of operation. Here I am applying addition operation. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 5, 13. Now on the 13th position we are storing this record 625 key. Okay. But while we are storing keys on the hash table, there is a problem. The problem is called as a collision problem. Collision means very simple. When we are storing 2 or more keys on the same location, it is called as a collision. Which means, for example, see here, your keys are 9 and 13. But now my hash table is only 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, which means 0 to 3. How many locations? 4 locations. Here each location is also called as bucket. This is a terminology. In hash table representation, every location which is also called as bucket. Very simple. Now hash function which is used to identify the location which we can store the keys. Here I am taking division method. Division method means h of key or x. Here key means x. X modulus of table size is 4. What is our key here? 9 modulus of 4. 9. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. On this position we are storing 9. Now take another key. What is another key? 13. Now 13 modulus of 4. Output is 1 only. But in one location there already one key is existing. If you forcibly store 13, it may be overflowed. Hope you understand. But as per we have to store all the information. So this is called as a collision. Whenever both keys, 2 different keys are getting same location to store your information, then there may be a collision occurs. So you have to store the 2 locations, but if you overwrite, 9 will be removed. Hope you understand. But as per our data structure, every data should be stored. So avoid collision. There is a collision resolution techniques. One is separate chaining and open addressing. So by using these 2 techniques, we can avoid collisions so that we can accommodate all the data in the hash table. Hope you understand, guys. Now I am explaining about collision resolution technique. One is separate chaining, another one is open addressing. Let me explain one by one. Very simple topics. Separate chaining. See, very simple. Separate chaining. So this is your hash table. Hash table is 0 to 9, which means size is 10. Now I want to store these locations. Sorry, these keys. What are my keys? 131, 3, 4, 21 and so on 9. Now what is separate chaining? Here we are maintaining additional fields with data, which is called as linked list concept. Separate chaining table is maintained for colliding data. Whenever colliding is occurred, immediately we will link. When collision occurs, the linked list is maintained at the home bucket. Let me explain. So assume this is home bucket, 0th location home bucket, 1th location home bucket.